Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into FTX wallet using iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your FTX wallet using iPhone, first make sure that you've downloaded FTX wallet application for your iPhone. Once you have it, give it a tap to open. From the first interface of FTX wallet, tap the sign in button and enter your credentials, that is your email address and your password associated with FTX wallet. Type in your email address first and into the password text box, type in your password correct. Soon after you're done typing in your password, you can tap the sign in button, but in case you've forgotten your password, tap forgot password link and follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, after typing in your password and your email address, tap sign in. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged into your FTX wallet on your iPhone. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.